What's up, guys? Are you looking for the best car vacuum cleaners in your budget? Today's video is on the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners in 2024. The 5th product on our list is the Worx Power Share Cube Vac. Up next in the 4th place is the AutoVac corded car handheld vacuum cleaner. The 3rd product on our list is the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max AutoVac vacuum cleaner. Second on our list is the Hoover Black+Decker Flex handheld vacuum. Finally, the top product on our list is the Baseus A2 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.